Hi, this is Rajeev Avasti, broker associate with Intel Real Estate Services, and you're welcome to my Real Estate Minute. As you've seen the previous shows or not, I am trying to bring together anything and everything related to real estate. And today is a great opportunity for us to learn about insurance, home insurance in particular. And today I have Sonny, who's a real estate professional, sitting right here. And Sonny, welcome to the Real Estate Minute.
Thank you for having me, Rajeev.
Oh, you're welcome. So Sonny, first and foremost, what comes to your mind when you're putting together an insurance policy for any of your clients?
The most important aspect is that house should be insured for the value of the reconstruction. Unfortunately, more than half the houses in the country, they are underinsured.
No.
So what happens if something happens, insurance company has the details in the system and they will bill your building according to what information they have.